This is my email that you can look at here. I'm getting commission every single day from this website. Like this website, I getting commission from various websites. I'm going to show you how you can do that and how you can get this free money every single day. This basic idea of this website is how to earn money from survey sites without doing surveys. You don't have to do surveys, you don't have to answer any questions, but you're gonna earn commission like that every single day, guys. As you see, this is the website called StarClick. I'm gonna show you my dashboard right now. You can see this is a website called StarClicks. That you can see this is my dashboard. This is the balance I can be thrown today using PayPal. And this is the today's earning. From this website, I didn't do any surveys. I don't do clicking ads or watching videos, but I get paid every single day. I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself for free, and you can earn this money for free, guys. Again, not this website. There's a lots of other similar websites gonna pay you money every single day. I'm gonna show you a method, and watch this video until the end for the full tutorial, guys. Guys, before that, if you are interested in watching video like this one, like make money online or money saving tutorials, please guys subscribe, like and share, and I will make content every single day for free, guys. So what this method is called a referral program. It's not affiliate program, it's a referral program. It's similar to that, but it's a little bit different. So what this is, website like survey website, they have a referral program. You just join and they promote, people join and they do surveys and they withdraw money. When they withdraw money, you get paid, or when people click the link and they sign up, you get paid. You can see these are the money I'm getting paid from this website because of that referral program. You can see this is called a referral section here. If I click it and click a referral link, and it will take to this page. If I promote these links, people join, do surveys, I get paid. When they withdraw money, I'm gonna get paid. I'm gonna show you other couple of websites, guys. This is one of these websites right now. This is the points I have. This is roughly worth around £5 actually, $5 actually, for referring this website. And this is another website. You can see Creamy. You can see the red line here is from referral. I earned so much money from this website that you can see the balance from here, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can promote it for free and you can earn this money for free, guys. All you have to do is I'm going to show you how other people are doing that. First, go to Google and type top surveys sites or top 10 survey site or top 20 survey site. So I typed top 20 survey site on here. These are the bunch of articles people are writing on their website. So what you do, open one of these articles. This is the article I want to check it out. I opened it. Then you can see this person wrote about in a top 20 survey site, right? Top 25 actually. But if you see that closely here, every single number here, this is number 1. And number 2, what you have here is called sign up with inbox dollars, sign up with opinion post, sign up with live points. But basically what they do is they have a referral program. So you read through it, the articles, you click it and you sign up and you get paid for that, guys. But again, unlike this person, you don't need a website to write these articles. You don't have to have a website. So I'm going to show you 6 websites where you're going to post these same articles and you're going to generate free organic traffic, guys. So watch the video until the end. So what you can see here, what they basically do is 1 or 2 paragraph about that website. Then they put the affiliate link or referral link in the bottom of the website. So if you want to promote this website, it's called mypoints.com. It's again a survey site, but you have to do the surveys, you promote it and you get paid for that, guys. So you have to do, open a Google document or Word document and you need to write a simple review. I didn't write anything from here. So these are the 2 sentences you can see here. These are not my own words. I just copied from this website. You can see here, this is the title, my points, get paid for giving your opinion. I just put that as a title. Then you can see here how this is working. So you can see receive surveys, earn points, redeem it. I just copy and paste it into a paragraph. This part here, you can see again, this from here. You can see I copied it, I put it on here. At the bottom part, you can see get paid through PayPal and gift card. That you can see they already give all the information that you want. Get paid through gift card and PayPal. Now on the bottom, I put sign up my points and get paid, highlighted, and you can see highlight this part, and this is my affiliate link inside it. So if you want to make it a little bit more clickable, you can highlight this title part, and you can see highlight it here and insert your affiliate link inside it, guys. This is how you can create an articles. You can join as many as service site that you want. So you can see these are 25 service site. You have to do is join this 25 service site. Most of the service site work worldwide, so you join them and you get the referral link, guys. After you create your articles, what you have to do is you need to post on these 6 sites to generate free organic traffic for your article, guys. The number one choice, always my number one choice, is Medium. Then you can see when I went to Medium and type best survey site, you can see this article is 2020 is published, and you can see this is another articles. There's a lack of article here. You can post and you can rank on the number one on that keyword, guys. You can see these are the people writing about top 10 survey sites or top 20 survey site. If you open one of them, that you can see here, this button called register. They have affiliate program, affiliate referral link inserted on here, guys. So when the people click it, it will take to their website where they sign up and they do the surveys and they get paid out, and you get commission for that, guys. So you can do the same thing, copy and paste your articles into this website. Is called listed.to. You can see here listed.to. Again, when you come to this website, you have to click this one, start writing. It will take to this page. They will walk you through the step-by-step guide. Follow that and you can post your article on here, guys. Another website is called substack.com. Again, you can see here, you can see for writers here, what you do is click this one called get started and create a free account with it, and you can post your article on here, guys. Another website is called hubpage.com. This is a website. You have to do is click this one called login button here, and you can see you have to register with the free account here, and you can create articles. Basically, you're going to copy and paste the article that you already written on your Word document, guys. Another website is social media is called Tumblr. Again, you can post entire article on here, guys. You don't have to be worried about creating a post or anything. That you can see here is called text here. Click that and just copy and paste your entire article on here with your affiliate link inside or referral link inside. The final thing is a blogger. Blogger is belong to Google, where you can create a blog post, guys. You can create entire website on blogger.com. Basically, you can just copy and paste these articles and make like this website here for free on Blogger. Again, these bloggers also getting free organic traffic from Google's. When these bloggers start to rank on Google page, Google, guys, so whenever people search for that keyword term, your article will be in the Google search result. People click it, they open up and they sign up for the offers, and you get paid for that. So these are the website where you can post these articles for free, and you can generate free income every single day from website like survey site without doing service. So you don't have to spend many times answering questions, clicking advertisement, or watching videos, or shopping online, or searching on web. You don't have to do any of these things. Just join these sites, promote it in the articles, and you get paid every single day like this one, guys, for free, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel, like this video, press the bell icon so you will get notified when I release content tomorrow, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.